Hi guys, hope you're well. In this new video, I'm gonna sell my luxury handbag, so stay tuned. Here, I'm gonna first start with this Chanel bag. Everything is linked down below the description. You can find every item on my website. I sell luxury handbag, pre-loved mostly, and sometimes almost brand new. So let's start with the first one. I do ship worldwide. I'm gonna give you the price in USD and also in Euro. So I do have the box for this one, and look at this amazing Chanel bag. I love it. This is a very special one. Released in not so much quantity, so it's cool. I do have some papers. What do I have here? Oh, I do have also like the invoice, duplicate copy, glove from Chanel, and voila. I just don't have the dust bag. I will give you like a black normal dust bag from ours. But yeah, I'm so in love with this bag. This is a very, very nice one. I'm just gonna put the box here. So this is a crossbody bag, as you can see, yellow. I love it. The condition of this one is actually very, very good. So what can I say? So this is a yellow grained leather, like a caviar leather. The outside is stunning. Like, I'm just checking, but condition is so good. Hardware also is very nice. This one is a very specific one. I just love it. The only thing I could say is here on the base here, it's a little bit dirty because of a metallic parts that are kind of on the leather. But otherwise, this is a very good one. Corners are so little rubbed, like very, very little. Let's open the bag together. So I love it. I love it. So you do have also the protection that normally fits here originally. So we do have it in case. Oh my goodness. Insane. So you do have two large pockets, one zipper. I do also have authenticity card for this one. Now this is a good one. Inside is very good, I would say. You have still a sticker on the zipper pocket. I'm impressed. This is insane. Like, and this pocket looks gorgeous. So the bag is in very, very good condition. I love it. This is the bag of the season. Yellow is always a yes. And the price of this baby is 3,884 USD and 3,250 euro. Everything is available right now on the website. If you want to buy, go right now. For the US, everything is tax included. You just have to pay customs upon arrival, but it's still very interesting. Otherwise, feel free to just order. You can see everything on the website. I'm super grateful that you are more and more on this YouTube channel. So thank you first for being around. And it's great to be able to share a passion together. So thank you. Okay, next bag that I want to share and that I want to sell. Well, it's not a bag. This is a small SLG, small leather goods. So this one is a wallet from Louis Vuitton. I love it. This is a monogram canvas, and inside, this is a zipper wallet. Inside is pink leather. Love it, love it, love it. Condition is actually very good. You do have a little smell. I do have the same smell on mine. I don't know why. I think it's leather or the canvas. Yeah, I do have the same smell actually. Well, it's not that big deal. It's not a huge, huge smell. Condition is amazing for this one. Like, come on. This is a very recent one. Here, the little leather part is a little bit damaged, but this is replaceable, I think, quite easily at Louis Vuitton. Inside has very good condition too. I'm impressed. Like, it's a very good condition too. You have so little stains. This is very good. This is amazing. Like, I love it. And this is a very, very recent wallet from Louis Vuitton. So it's quite cool. You can still find it in store, I believe. I don't know if this color exactly is able on the website. Price for this one is 383 USD, 320 euro. Available on the website. Go on. There are almost 600 euro. USD, probably more, on the retail website of Louis Vuitton. Okay, next one that I want to share and sell is this baby orange box. We love an orange box. So I cared for the bag, so I did put some bubble inside to protect it because I'm crazy about protection, I know. Woo. So I do have a little dust bag for the padlock. I do have the dust bag for the bag. And I know. We have an airbag, and I do have the over pouch. Okay, I'm just gonna remove this from me. So I do have the bag, airbag, and the double pouch, the black pouch. So it's quite good. You can remove and change the pouch quite easily. But here we have like a fabric kind of pouch. Very nice. You do have one little stain here, but otherwise it's very, very good. I love this one. It's so cute. This is the only stain, and you can like clean it, or you can put like the black pouch if you wish. Leather has like stain, like not stains, like little marks, but it's not a brand new one. You have the keys here and the padlock over there. Let's open it. I love it. This is quite a nice one. This one, it's very cute. Inside is here. Inside has little stains though, but it's very little, and it's inside, so it's kind of okay, you know. And concerning the price, I'm gonna give you the price right now. The price for this one is 1,900 USD, 1,590 euro for this amazing little baby. I love it. It's the PM one, it's the small one, so it's so easy to wear, and it's mixed, like either for men, either for women, all good. Next, now I do have Saint Laurent. Of course, I had to have one, at least. Maybe I have another one in the video, so stay till the end. I want to show you some amazing handbags. So for this one, I do have the box, I do have the dust bag, and I have papers inside, like the usual stuff. So here it is. Magnificent. So we have here the Uptown chain up wallet and chain. This is like a walk. And you do have like a little wallet inside, which is quite good actually, like very, very nice. So here it is. So it's gorgeous. You have a little chain that you can let inside or remove to make like just a pouch, a pochette. This is a grand leather. You have gold hardware on it. It's very, very nice. I love it. Condition on the outside is like very, very good. You do have like a little stain. It's not even a stain, I think. No. And when you open the bag, it's gorgeous. Amazing. Yeah, you do have here a large pocket. This is quite nice, and you do have like a little I would say wallet where you can fit cards and everything that you need. You have another pouch here. This is good, like very good. You have little stains inside. It's very tiny, and no, this is gorgeous as hell. I love it. Here it's a little bit dirty as well, but otherwise this is so nice. Like you can wear it crossbody, it's beautiful. And the price for this baby is 1,100 USD, and euro price is 920 euro. I do love it actually. It's so easy to wear. Like it's insane how easy it is. You can wear it like crossbody. You can actually also wear it like without the crossbody. You can wear it like on the shoulder if you shorten the strap. This is a very simple bag. Like everyone should have a little one like this, because you can wear it like also during the day, because you can fit your phone, cards, you can fit so many things. Let me show you, by the way, sorry, but it can fit also my phone. My phone is just here and it fits, like completely. You can fit other stuff also inside. So I like to show you what fits inside sometimes when I can. But yeah, this one is definitely available right now. So be very fast, because sometimes it goes super fast. And I'm also on live on TikTok at 9 p.m. Paris time. So join me, it would be nice. Okay, another bag for this season would be perfect. This is a tote from Chanel. This is a Deauville tote. This is a medium size, I would say. I love this one. I love the color. So as you can see, we still have a protection plastic on the other side of the bag, not in front. I don't know, like someone must forget. Also inside you have the protection plastics on the hardware, which is actually good. Means like the bag was not very used. Condition is amazing. It's a dark gray, black here. It looks faded. It's normal. Like it's the bag is like this. This collection is like this. It's gorgeous. Like corners are very good actually. Even the sides, you don't have stains or whatever. It's nice. Like very good. You can see like some I don't know how to say, like fillers. I don't know. Well, here, but it's okay. Then inside the bag now, do I have anything inside the bag? It's cute. I love it. Inside is very good condition. You also have like a major zipper pocket here, other pockets. We do have a serial number just here. And I need to check if I have an entrepreneur certificate, probably. I think I do. I need to check. Well, anyway. So this maybe is a very, very good condition. I just don't have the box, dust bag, or authenticity card, but we have a serial number. And the price is 2,868 USD, 2,400 euro, which is an amazing handbag for summer, spring, summer. I love it. Like the condition of this one is so nice. Okay, next one. This is a huge one. This is a travel Boston bag from Celine. I like it. We do have like little keys for the padlock. You have like the attach. Usually we'd never had this. But this is a travel bag that I really like. Under the bag you have dark spots, but it's quite usual. Like it's kind of a keeple, but Celine version. Corners are rubbed, quite usual also in this type of bags. And handles are very, very nice. Leather pads here are very good too. Let's open the bag. I like it. This is a very, very nice one. So now, let's talk about the inside. Very good. No stain, very good condition. You have a zipper pocket on the side that is also very nice. Very well cared. And the price of this one is 395 USD, 330 euro. That is very good for the bag. Next, I have another Saint Laurent, of course. So this is a Saint Laurent black on black leather. Amazing. This is the college one. I do have the strap. Let me find the strap for you. So it's here. So I do also have papers. Let me check for it. Alors, love it. This is a cool bag actually. I used to have it also, and it was sold instantly. So this is my price tag here. So here it is. This is the college from Saint Laurent, black on black. You do have the strap if you want to wear it crossbody. You can remove it and only wear it by the top handle if you want. You have a back pocket just here. Condition of the bag on the outside is quite good, actually. Good condition, I would say. You have corners that are a little bit rubbed, I have to say. The metallic parts are very good, except here the little point of the L, a little bit rubbed also. But otherwise, this is quite good. No, it's very good. Let's open the bag now. Here also on the side, a little bit rubbed. And inside, so I do have the papers here. Inside is very good. Like inside of the bag is so great. No stain, very well cared. You have multiple pockets if you want. A zipper pocket also. No, it's a very, very good interior. You only do have some marks from the chain just here. And that's pretty much it, actually. So this is quite good. Like, I like this bag. It's so useful. It's a black everyday bag. Like, I don't know what to say else because it's a very good one. I'll try to show you closer. And the price for this baby is 2,211 USD, 1,850 euro. Voila, you can buy it directly on the website if you wish this one. Okay, next one now is a Speedy size 30 monogram canvas. Very nice little baby. Condition actually of this one is quite amazing. I like it, very, very good. I thought it was super, super recent because the condition of the bag, the odor, everything. But no, it's actually like an old vintage baby. Always so amazed of how people can care about their bags. It's quite amazing. Corners are super, super little rubbed. The canvas is perfect. The leather parts have like marks over what, but it's like usual marks on the leather. Handles are a little bit tanned, but not so much. You have the leather parts here that is broken. You can fix it, remove it for 25 euro or like 25 at Louis Vuitton, or let it like this. You can just let this here. What else? Inside is so good, actually, no stain. You have no stain inside. You have a little pocket just here. Serial number is just here. It indicates that the bag was produced in 1990. So this is a 90 babe. It's so crazy how it was well cared. I'm impressed. This is a very good condition one. This is a very good deal. The price for this one is 622 USD, 520 euro. You can buy it straight away on the website. It's a super good everyday bag. We do also sell bag organizer for Speedies. So if you want to buy the bag, you can also buy the bag organizer that can go with it. Voila, it's a very good one. So next one is this beautiful Celine bandoulière bag. I love it. You can adjust the strap for your size. This is a very, very nice bag, canvas, Celine canvas and leather. Like the condition of the bag is quite good. Like I would say good condition, it was used, but it's nice. Corners here are a little bit rubbed, but otherwise that's quite good. You have a back pocket here. So you don't open the bag with this. You open the bag here with a button pression. So don't force. Inside is actually very good. You do have like little stain. It's so little, very tiny. You do have like a zipper pocket also inside. This part is full leather. We see it was a little bit used, but it has still a very good condition, I would say. And I'm gonna find the price. And the price for this one is 383 USD, 320 euro, which is a very good price for this type of bag. Actually, it's a crossbody bag. It's insane. I don't think I'm gonna be able to find like such good bags in such good, you know, like condition with the same price. Like it's a very good price. And the last one, but not the least, we have like a Louis Vuitton Damier Sarah wallet. Damier Eben, very good one. It's like with a pression button, so it's quite good. Here it's like a little bit damaged, but very little. Corners are a little bit rubbed, always good. Hardware is a little bit used. It's not a brand new one. When you open it, it's actually very good. Like inside is so nice. You have multiple pockets. Zipper also pocket for coins. It's a very good one. Like no stain inside. You can see it was a little bit used. It was a little bit used, but so little. And the price is 383 USD or 280 euro. I don't really exactly know the price on USD. You can check on the website. Sorry, I forgot to put this one. So it's 280 euro, 280. The US I don't have. You can check on the website. It's there. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm here every Wednesday with new items. It's like the backdrop day. I ship from Europe. I'm French, but I live in Spain right now, so I ship everything from Spain, from the office. I do ship worldwide, like worldwide, US, Canada, Dubai, Europe, Australia, everywhere. Do not hesitate if you have questions to ask me either under this video or on Instagram directly, the website, anytime. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.